Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a tutorial on how to read a JSON file in Python. Step 1. Import the necessary libraries. You need to import the JSON module in Python to work with JSON data. Step 2. Open and read the JSON file. You can open the JSON file using the open function and then use the json.load function to read the contents of the file. In this code snippet, data.json is the name of the JSON file you want to read. The file is opened in read mode, R, and its contents are loaded into the data variable using json.load. Step 3. Access the data. Once you have loaded the JSON data into the data variable, you can access the data in the JSON file like you would with any Python dictionary. This will print the entire contents of the JSON file. You can access specific data by using keys if the JSON data is a dictionary. Replace key with the actual key you want to access. Here's a complete example that reads a JSON file named data.json with the following content, and returns the content of the file. This code will output. That's it. You have successfully read a JSON file in Python. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further clarification.